Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run, well, we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is from a company called SABA and this is a mini pancake maker. Now it's not something I normally would look at, but it was so cheap I couldn't resist it, and I like pancakes but I'm not that great at making them in a pan, so I thought I'd get this little mini pancake maker in. So basically, like all my videos, let's get it out the box, have a bit of a close look what we've got, and then I'll show you it in operation so you can see how good these mini pancakes will turn out. So let's go and have a look at that now. So the first thing out the box is basically a little instruction manual, and this covers the operation of the unit and also tells you how to make some pancakes, which is quite good. So that's the first thing out of that packaging. And finally we've got the little mini pancake maker itself, and as you can see it's pretty small. Now it's in this sort of greeny colour, but I believe you can get a blue or a pink version of this. And essentially you've got a light on the top here which will change to orange and then off when the little pancake machine is ready to use, and also when it's hot enough. It's an Australian plug, so it works here in Australia, and as you can see it's pretty much not much at all. You just open it up and you shut it like a little clam sort of shell type device. So next let me give us a bit of a test making some mini pancakes, and you can see what that's like, and then at the end I'll give you my thoughts on whether this is worth getting or not. So let's go and have a look at that. Well, there you go. Essentially this is quite a decent product, and for the price, $10, you can't really go wrong. It produces reasonably good pancakes and they're of a reasonable size and they are nice and round, and you can actually do other things like sort of omelettes and maybe an egg or something like that in it too. So overall I think this is a pretty much thumbs up from me, and if you're on your own and you like pancakes, this is definitely a no-brainer. Just get one. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.